There's a new type of influencer taking over TikTok, and it's a Yeti with a GoPro. This is spread all over the internet, especially across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. But did you know there's a viral AI niche vlogger that only a few people are doing?
Rise and whimper, Snow Squad. I just woke up in what feels like a frozen microwave. If I die in here, play Imperial March, but like in flute. Day, whatever.
I just saw these Stormtrooper videos that are similar to the Yeti vlogs, and they're starting to go viral. When I checked the videos from this woman, some already had millions of views. I noticed that only a few people are doing this kind of content on YouTube, like this channel. They just started uploading these kinds of videos, but they already have 5,000 subscribers. That's why you have a big chance to succeed in this niche, because there's still very little competition. The best part, you can jump in right now. Even if you've never made a video before, I'll show you exactly how it's done, from the prompts to the tools to the step-by-step process. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through how to create those fun, vlog-style videos, just like the ones with the Yeti. Let's dive in. But before proceeding to the tutorial, if you've been dreaming about launching your own faceless YouTube channel but don't know where to start, this is your moment. I've created the YouTube automation blueprint that shows you exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month without showing your face, using your voice, or spending countless hours stuck editing. This isn't just another generic guide. Inside, I break down the exact system I use, step by step. How to find high-paying, untapped niches. The script formula that actually retains viewers. My secret workflow to automate videos without losing quality, and even the tools I use to create cinematic visuals and emotional voiceovers without ever recording a single word. Best part? It's just $20. One-time payment, lifetime-owned products. So if you're serious about building a profitable, low-effort YouTube channel in a timeless niche like AI niches, explainer video, or wisdom storytelling, click the link in the description, grab the blueprint. First, we'll generate a title and storyline for the video so we can fully structure the flow of the content we're about to create. Don't worry, I provided a template prompt so you can just copy and paste it. The first step is to copy the initial prompt provided at the top, then paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting it, click Generate. Inside the prompt, the sequence of each title is already laid out, focused on Stormtrooper who lives in a snowy forest or is detained inside a spaceship while on duty. I also included emotional ones to make the titles feel more realistic. Next, after generating unique titles for your Stormtrooper vlog, choose the one you like best for the video you're about to make. Once you've picked a title, go back to the provided document, copy the title you selected, then paste it into the master prompt in ChatGPT. Remove the default bracket text and replace it with your chosen title. Then click Generate. This way, ChatGPT will generate a new scene and scenario, but it will follow the specific style included in the prompt I gave. Just make sure to also maintain the character's consistency all the way to the end. Feel free to tweak the prompt properly to fit your style. But if you want to try the exact prompt I used, it's already included in the docs I provided. Sometimes, if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, the output isn't as polished. So make sure you're using the correct and refined prompt. Now that we've created the full storyline and scene, let's proceed to the exciting part of the video, generating the animation scene. So head to Google and search for Google Veo 3 or Google Flow. I personally prefer Flow since I already have an account there. Just set up your account, and to use their 1-month free trial, you'll need to enter your credit card details for access to unlimited features during the free month. After you do this, you'll be taken to the Google Flow interface. Just click New Project. Then choose Text to Video. Select one output per prompt and the Veo 3 quality model. Then just paste your first scene, the one generated by ChatGPT. The great thing about this is that while the first video is generating, you can immediately proceed to the next scene and let Google Flow generate that too. Just copy and paste your next prompt generated from ChatGPT. Here's the first result. Pretty good, right? It looks so realistic you'd think it was made by a professional filmmaker. If you want to remove the subtitles at the bottom, just add "Don't include a subtitle" to your prompt. Now for the final part, we're going to edit the video. Just download all the clips and drag them onto the timeline. Make sure the clips are arranged in the correct order so that the flow of your Stormtrooper vlog is engaging. You can also add sound effects from the YouTube library or Pixabay. Just make sure the music you use is well aligned with the scenes and not copyrighted. After arranging each scene, make sure to check all the clips. Some clips may appear black with a sidebar. When that happens, you need to scale them up, like I'm doing here. Just follow what I did. Then add a black transition using fade out, so it looks like the scenes are really changing. You can also explore other transitions, but keep them simple and fitting for the vlog style you're creating. For the final touch, I'm adding a clear filter to give color and life to each clip. Once done, click export, give your video a name, and make sure it's set to 2K resolution at 60 FPS. Before I show the final result, I'll also show you how to turn it into short form content. Just click the ratio button here, then choose 9:16. Scale the video up a bit and add a title caption at the top so viewers can easily recognize what type of content it is. After that, export it again in 2K resolution at 60 FPS, and here's the final result.
Rise and whimper, Snow Squad. I just woke up in what feels like a frozen microwave. If I die in here, play Imperial March, but like in flute.
Day, whatever. Woke up with frost in my helmet and a squirrel inside my boot. Starting the vlog because therapy isn't available out here.
This is the hallway of pain. I stubbed my toe here last week. I'm still emotionally healing. Legend says the ghosts of interns haunt this bulkhead.
Sometimes I crawl up here to think. Sometimes to scream. Sometimes just to escape Gary's snoring. This vent knows too much.
Ship's fine. System. Today we're making charred flavor tube surprise. Ingredients: expired protein paste and desperation. Bon appetit, degenerates.
Classic. Betrayed by gravity and trust. This is what happens when you prank a prankster with a brain cell count below freezing.
Survival is 90% mental, 10% dramatic flair. Today's drill. Panic, pose, scream into a helmet.
You're welcome. This is my spa. I exfoliate with snowflakes and cry under freezing LED lights. Self-care, but make it Imperial-grade suffering.
Meet my co-survivor, a tactical genius. He once ate half a glow stick because he thought it was spicy toothpaste. We're gonna die out here.
Meet my bunkmate, Sergeant Snooze. He once slept through an Ewok ambush. He's emotionally unavailable and allergic to work.
Welcome to Couples Therapy, Stormtrooper Edition. Blanket custody is a battlefield.
I'm the bigger man, which is why I'm taking all of it.
Day.
That's some number.
We're still stranded,
Still hungry.
but somehow, still vibing. Subscribe for more frostbite feelings and intergalactic trauma.